Hey guys, my name is Lakshay and I'm a research analyst at SCALER Academy. And welcome to another video for today. And today we will be talking about data scientist salary in India and in other countries as well. Now before we begin with this, if you are new to the channel, please ensure you like, follow and subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon so that you can never miss any updates from us. So data science, it's a field that combines domain knowledge, programming abilities, and even mathematics and statistics knowledge to extract useful insights from data. Machine learning algorithms are used to number text, photos, videos, and even audios and other data to create artificial intelligence systems that can execute jobs that would normally need human intelligence. Now, as a result of this, these systems produce insights that analysts and business users may employ to create meaningful commercial value. Now, before I begin the session, did you know that we also do have a blog where we are covering more insights or more important topics of data science salary in India and in other countries as well. So do check out the video. The link is in the description below. And now let's start with the topic. Now let's see what we will be covering in this session. So first of all, I'm going to start with who exactly is a data scientist and what they exactly do in their life. After that, I will tell you guys data scientist salary in India, and following this, I will also be telling you guys about the skills that are actually required to become a data scientist. With this, we will also see the data scientist job roles and responsibilities he has to deal with in his day-to-day life. After that, I'm going to tell you about the deciding factors of data scientist and how you can actually become one. Finally, to ease you guys, I'm going to tell you about the top companies who are hiring data scientists, and even I'm going to tell you about the data scientist salary in other countries as well. And in the end, I'm going to wrap up with the challenges that you have to overcome to become a data scientist. So now let's see our first topic. So let's start with our first topic. Who is a data scientist? First, I'm going to explain you that. So data scientists basically acquire and analyze enormous sets of organized and unstructured data. So a data scientist job entails a mix of computer science, statistics and mathematics. They interpret the outcomes of data analysis, processing and even modeling to generate actionable plans for businesses and other organizations as well. So data scientists are analytical professionals that use their knowledge of technology and social science to identify patterns and handle data as well. They basically identify solutions to corporate difficulties by combining industry knowledge, contextual insight, and even scepticism of established assumptions. As a result, data scientists are a mix of computer science, mathematics, and trend analyst. So a data scientist job entails deciphering complex, unstructured data and from sources like smart devices, social media feeds, and even emails that don't fit nearly into the database. So now you guys know what exactly a data scientist is. Let me tell you guys the important part, the salary of a data science. So the average salary for a data scientist is rupees 6,98,412 per year. Now with less than a year of experience, an entry-level data scientist can make approximately 500 million per year. So data scientists with 1 to 4 years of experience may expect to earn about 610,811 per year. Now with this graph that I've shown you, I've told you guys what the statistics are. After this, if you guys even see the graph, what I told you about the experience, if you have more than 20 years of experience, you actually earn more than 86,000 per month. This is per month guys. So it start with 511k, then 771k, then it moves on to 1 million. Now if you have years of experience of 10 to 19 years, it goes to 2 million. Now after that it reduces because of the age factor that you guys have. So that's all about how much a data scientist earn in India. About the other countries, I'm going to explain you later in this video. So let's move on to the next topic. So actually the skills that are required for data scientist. First of all, algorithms, statistics, mathematics, and machine learning knowledge all are important. So after this, some programming languages like R, Python, SQL, SAS, and Hive are examples of these programming languages that are required to be known by the data scientist. And finally, the communication factor. So communication skills are required in order to properly communicate the results to the rest of the team. Now let's move on to the next topic. So I'm going to tell you guys about data scientist job roles and responsibilities that are there right now. So data scientist job roles here. So data scientists work closely with business stakeholders to learn about their objective and how data may help them achieve their goals. They also create algorithms and predictive models to extract the data that our business needs, as well as help evaluate the data and share findings with peers as well. Along with R, Python has demonstrated its ability to sort data according to both generic and specialized needs. Python data science programmers in India make hire both software developers and DevOps programmers. The reason for this is that data gathering, data cleansing, and even data processing are becoming increasingly popular in today's world, as businesses require data to obtain market and customer data. Now let me tell you about the responsibilities that actually data science have. So first of all, taking massive amounts of unstructured data and turning it into a useful information. Then identifying the data analytic solutions that have the most potential to propel business forward. After this, the third point is using data analysis tools such as text analytics, machine learning, and deep learning to uncover hidden patterns and trends. After that, data cleansing and validation to improve data accuracy and efficacy. And finally, they have data visualization that is used to communicate all the positive observations and discoveries to the company's stakeholder. So that's what the responsibility of data science is, and he has to do this across the time when he is into the company. Now moving forward, let me tell you guys the key reasons to become data science, why you should actually become a data science. So first I'm going to start off with the growing demand. So one of the most in-demand jobs is data science for 2021. Data science and analytics are expected to employ more than 11 million people by 2026. India is the second largest source of data scientist jobs after the United States. So this is one of the main reasons for high salaries of data science in India is high demand. And second, high paying jobs with a wide range of responsibilities. So not only there is a high demand for data scientists, but there are types of jobs that are available are also plentiful. The demand for data scientists is rapidly increasing and there is a substantial supply shortage. Now due to shortage of essential skill sets, there are a large number of vacant jobs opening all around the world. Now because of the severe scarcity of talent, this is an excellent time to enter this sector. Moving on to the third point, changing working environments. The future workplace is being shaped by data science. More and more routine and manual chores are being mechanized thanks to artificial intelligence and robotics. Now, as people take on more critical thinking and problem solving roles, data science technologies have made it very easy to educate robots to perform repetitive jobs. And moving on to the next point, we have increasing productivity. Now, machine learning and artificial intelligence has allowed businesses to personalize their offers and improve client experiences. They are thriving to every industry, for information technology to healthcare and from e-commerce to marketing and retail. Now, because data is a company's most valuable asset, data scientists play is a very critical role and trusted advisors and strategic partners to management. They look for relevant information in the data that might help them improve their specialty, determine their desired target audience, and even plan future marketing and growth initiatives. Now, the next point is the healthcare industry has been transformed by predictive analytics and machine learning. Early diagnosis of cancers, organ defects, and other diseases is possible because of data science. Now, one more thing I want to tell you guys is data science is an evolving field. Now, because of the growing demand for data science all around the world, it has rapidly evolving. Data scientists have a wide range of skills that may help firms make better strategic decisions by leveraging data and information. They have great possibilities to engage with data and experiment to find the best solution for organizations. Now, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, as well as some newer technologies like blockchain, edge computing, serverless computing, digital twins, and others that employ various practices and technologies with the data science industry are just a few of the new exciting fields that are emerging within this field. Now, the last point that I want to give you guys is it is very interesting job. Now, human behavior is the primary focus of data scientist. As a data scientist, you largely be working on how humans operate, from designing a chatbot to evaluating user experience online. Now, as a result, you will be directly participating in one of the century's most important endeavors. Now that's it from reasons to become data science. Now I hope you guys know it, and if you guys want more reasons, or if you guys want to tell me other reasons as well, you can put them in the comment section below as well. Okay. Now moving on to the next topic. Now I'm going to tell you guys what are the deciding factors for data scientist. Now first of all, it is based on experience. Now let's have a look how the salary of data scientist in India differs on experience. Now, because of the strong association between years of work experience and higher paying job salaries, a career in data is particularly appealing to young IT workers. Now, we'll also look up at how data scientist salaries rise with experience in this section. Now, in future, salaries in this field of data may look something like this. So in India, the average entry level data scientist income is 511,468 rupees per annum for the recent graduate. After this, a data scientist in their early career with 1 to 4 years of experience earns an average rupees of 7,73,442 rupees. And with experience of 5 to 9 years, you can expect from between 12 lakhs to 14 lakhs per annum. So the average mid-level data scientist income according to the pay scale is rupees 1 crore 36 lakhs 7,300. Now a highly experienced employee with decades of experience who has held management position might expect to earn anywhere around 24 lakhs per annum to a healthy crore. So that's what a data science is. Now one more deciding factor with the data scientist salary is it's based on the location. So Mumbai has the most job prospects and the highest yearly data scientist salaries in India for the new innovators, followed by Bangalore and New Delhi. However, because Bangalore is India's startup capital, it boasts the most startup job opportunities. Because Bangalore is considered the center of India's tech industry, a data scientist compensation is likely to be higher than in other locations as well. Now, according to pay scale, a data scientist income in India varies depending on where they work as well. So Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad are three of the highest paying cities of data scientists in India. Now, one more deciding factor is the employer. Obviously, you will be working in a company and what the company offers. Now, without a doubt, prominent organizations are at top of the list for the highest paying data positions. They also have a reputation for raising salaries by 15% per year. Now, top firms pay data scientists in the way that is shown in the PPT. So make sure you guys have a note of it and you guys can decide where you want to go. Now, one more thing is it can be based on the skills as well. So knowing R is the most crucial and sought after experience, followed by Python. So Python salary in India is expected to be around 10.2 lakhs per annum. Now, when a data analyst has knowledge of both big data and data science, their income rises by 26% compared to when they only have knowledge of one. Now, SaaS users are paid in the range from 9.1 to 10.8 lakhs per annum, whereas SPSS professionals are compensated with a range of 7.3 lakhs per annum. And even machine learning salaries in India start at roughly 3.5 lakhs per annum, and it can rise up to 16 lakhs as well. And Python is one of the most popular languages for machine learning, and Python developers in India earn some of the best salaries in the world. And one more thing is, even artificial intelligence knowledge can assist you to advance your career in general. So if you are a beginner in the field, the artificial intelligence pay in India is not less than 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. So now it's time for you guys to improve data abilities in order to maximize your earnings. Okay? So now I'm going to tell you about what are the top companies who are hiring for data scientists. So MU Sigma, Accenture and Tata Consultancy Services are top respondents to the job title of the data scientist. And even Amazon.com has the highest reported salaries. Accenture and HCL are two firms that pay well for this position as well. Mu Sigma pays the least. TCS and IBM are limited likewise to the low end of the range. So that's about the companies who are hiring for data scientists. Now let me also tell you guys what are the other countries' salary structure is. So first of all, I'm going to start with United States. So it's at the top of the list that give high salaries to the data scientists who are willing to work for them. The average yearly salary for data scientists in United States is $120,000, and their pay is higher in any other country for the data scientist. In Australia, it is ranked second in the list. This is evident by the influx of data scientists from Australia and other countries to the United States. The average salary of data scientists is between Australian dollars 75,000 to Australian dollars 121,000. Now, coming up to the Israel, nobody could have predicted that Israel would become a major IT center. It has a career opportunities for both novice and seasoned data scientists. Now, in Tel Aviv, Israel working data professionals earn roughly around $88,000 per year. Now, coming up with Canada, you are in for a treat if you are seeking data science employment in Canada. So data scientists in Canada make roughly around $81,000. The starting wage for a data scientist is $77,000, and it can rise up to $117,000 per year. Now, the fifth part, Germany. So people are looking for data science employment, and they might earn up to 5,960 euros per month. Now, working data scientists in Germany, they earn between 2,740 and 9,470 euros per month. Now, coming up to the last topic, what are the challenges that you have to overcome to become a data scientist? So first of all, preparation of data, obviously. So before using data for analysis, data scientists spend roughly 80% of their time cleaning and preparing information to improve its quality. Now that is to make it accurate and consistent. However, 57% of them regard it to be the most difficult aspect of the profession, describing it as a time-consuming and monotonous. Now, on a daily basis, they must process terabytes of data across numerous formats, sources, functions, platforms, while keeping track of their activities to avoid repetition. Now, developing AI-enabled data science solutions like augmented analytics and even auto feature engineering is one of the way to address this problem. Data scientists can also be more productive by using augmented analytics to automate tedious data cleansing and preparation course. That's a lot of work, right? Now moving on to the second challenge, it has a variety of data sources. Now more data sources will be needed by data scientists to make meaningful judgments as firms continue to use various sorts of apps and technologies and generate various formats of data. This approach necessitates manual data entry and time-consuming data searching, which results in errors, repetitions, and ultimately incorrect conclusions. To rapidly access information from many sources, organizations require a single platform that is integrated with different data sources. Data in this unified platform can be pooled and regulated effectively and in real time, allowing data scientists to save a significant amount of time and effort. The third challenge you will overcome is data protection. So cyber attacks are becoming more widespread as firms mitigate to cloud management. Now this has resulted in two key issues. The first one being confidential information is at risk, and the second one, as a result of recurrent cyber attacks, regulatory nerves have grown, lengthening the data consent and utilization processes, further aggravating the data scientist's displeasure. Now, to protect their data, businesses should use powerful machine learning enabled security platforms and implement them additional with the security measures. Now, simultaneously, they must maintain rigorous adherence to data protection regulations in order to prevent time-consuming audits and even costly fines. Now, the next challenge you will be covering is recognizing the business issue. So data scientists must first completely understand the business challenge before undertaking data analysis and developing solutions. Most data scientists take a mechanical approach to this, jumping right into examining data sets without first identifying the business problem at end goal. Now, as a result, before beginning any analysis, data scientists must follow a specific methodology. The workflow should be created after consulting with the business stakeholders and include well-defined checklists to aid in problem identification and understanding as well. Now the second last challenge that you can guys have is effective non-technical stakeholder communication. So data scientists must be able to communicate successfully with corporate leaders who may not be aware of the complexity and technical language involved in their work. Now if the CEO or stakeholder or client is unable to comprehend their models, their solutions are unlikely to be implemented. Now this is a skill that data scientists can develop. They can use the concept like data storytelling to provide their communication a more systematic approach and compelling narrative to their analysis and visuals. Now the last challenge you guys can face is metrics and KPIs that aren't defined. So management teams' lack of awareness of data science leads to unrealistic expectations of data scientists, which has an impact on their performance. Data scientists are supposed to come up with a magic bullet that will solve all of the company's problems. Now this is quite ineffective. As a result, every company should have data scientists that must follow well-defined matrices to assess the accuracy of analysis, and with the appropriate business KPIs to assess the impact of the analysis to the business. Now, I hope you guys have learned something about data science and how salary goes and the challenges and why you should become a data science. Now, if you want more videos like this, you can put them in the comment section in the below. And if you guys have any queries or any question, do let us know and we will be happy to answer that. Now, until then, stay tuned for more from SCALER.